If you hate coding but love data analysis, then Extreme ML is your new best friend. Let's dive in. Extreme ML is your one-stop, no-code solution for data analysis and machine learning tasks. Point 1. Extreme ML really eases your hiring process for data science team. Forget needing experts in SAS, R, or Python. With Extreme ML, any individual can work with the tool. Point 2. Extreme ML is an extremely versatile tool for data science team. Extreme ML offers comprehensive capabilities, from visualization to time series forecasting, collaborative filtering, supervised and unsupervised machine learning, text mining, association rule mining, data preparation, data aggregation, statistical analysis, and statistical process control. Extreme ML does it all. Point 3. Extreme ML is a highly transparent system. It provides complete transparency, so you always know what's happening under the hood. Point 4. Extreme ML reduces possibility of errors. Say goodbye to errors and hello to best practices. Extreme ML minimizes mistakes and ensures you're always on the right track. Plus, it's fast. Point 5. Extreme ML is a boon for productivity. Expect a quick turnaround on your data projects, boosting productivity and saving both time and money. Point 6. Extreme ML reduce data management burden. Extreme ML creates fewer datasets, reducing the workload associated with data management. Instant and uniform record keeping, you got it. Point 7. Extreme ML increases the usage of data science multifold by allowing people across business, without prior data science experience, to achieve data science tasks. Extreme ML is here to streamline your workflow and elevate your data game. Point 8. Extreme ML has very quick learning curve. With its intuitive GUI, you'll be comfortable in just 2 days. Point 9. Model documentation management becomes standardized and much easier with this tool because it provides comprehensive model-related documentation on its own. Point 10. Adherence to best practices. The system automatically applies the best practices of the machine learning. Ready to transform your data analysis? Try Extreme ML today. Experience unparalleled efficiency, achieve higher accuracy in predictions, and simplify complex data processes. Enhance decision-making with advanced analytics, scale your data solutions effortlessly, and stay ahead with cutting-edge technology.